Fried green tomato crab cake sandwich with remoulade. The method for the crab cake: combine egg, mustard, mayo, lemon juice, Tony's original Creole seasoning, and celery seeds. Mix in your bacon, scallions, and your cheese. Gently fold in the crab meat and cracker crumbs. Next, you'll taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You would want to refrigerate your crab mixture at least 30 minutes to ensure that the cracker crumbs absorb the liquid. Next, remove the bowl from the refrigerator. Divide the mix into 6 balls and dust with flour, and then press into cake form. Melt your butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Fry the crab cakes for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. Remove the crab cakes from the skillet and drain and reserve on paper towels until ready for use. Combine the flour, 1 tablespoon of Tony's original Creole seasoning in a medium bowl. In a second bowl, combine and beat the eggs with 2 tablespoons of water. In a third bowl, combine the panko, 1 tablespoon Tony's original Creole seasoning, and smoked paprika. Dredge each tomato slice in the flour mixture, then the egg mixture, and finally into the panko mixture. Place the breaded slices on the sheet pan until ready for use. Heat the grapeseed oil in a large skillet over high heat until almost smoking. If you're using a deep fryer, set your temperature to 350 degrees. Lower the heat under the skillet to medium and carefully slip the breaded tomato slices into the hot oil. Fry for 2 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Remove the tomatoes from the oil and drain and reserve on paper towels. To assemble, place the crab cake between 2 slices of the fried green tomato and drizzle with remoulade.